installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you can see, she's dressed up in the Western style.
Exactly.
We love for her to do some stuff with the Miley Cyrus. Let's lay some tracks down. Let's move straight into our hot topics. Or before we go into that, let's say our winner for the She's Hot contest, sponsored by Playboy International.
Exactly. Playboy.
We know that the winner for this week is going to have you on the edge of your seat. So, Dr. Ross, would you unveil the winner?
So, the winner you guys have been voting for day after day, begging us to just take a look at this model right here. She's not really a model, but she's an Instagram model. So we were looking at her photos for a little bit, and we decided it's taking the win. The winner for this week of She's Hot contest is none other than 6ix9ine's girlfriend. Her acting name is Jade, or her real name is Rachel Watley. And she is not only a bartender, but also an aspiring rapper. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
As you know, Dr. Ross, she is hot, scandalous, and we'll call you Miss, instead of Miss 69, Miss 67.
Exactly.
As
with
well
the
as
junk in the trunk.
And with Miss 67, you have the Kim Kardashian beat. Who
Exactly.
knows? We could talk to Ryan Seacrest and do a show with you or with the 6ix9ine, but we'd have to set it up right so 6ix9ine doesn't go out there and do something crazy.
Exactly. Or the people that are still chasing after 6ix9ine.
That's right.
Do something crazy.
You're
but
shaped-
it could be good for the reality show.
That's right. You're shaped like an hourglass, and you're fine. Let's move straight into our first hot topic for today.
Again, congratulations.
That's right, congratulations. Our first hot topic is details revealed about Christina and Aunt Enstead's split.
All I have to say about this Black King Sebastian is, of course, Christina's gonna be splitting with everyone because she's hot and she's a wild thing. And we see her.
And we see her on the renovating homes, but she hasn't laid a nail down, a single nail.
Exactly what I was gonna say, Black King.
That's right, because she is a scandalous hot vixen. Who knows? She might be the winner for the next She's Hot contest.
Hopefully, put your votes in, put your votes in.
That's right. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kendall Jenner. So, Kendall Jenner doesn't need to abuse Photoshop, but definitely does it anyways.
Kendall Jenner is constantly in the news. I'm pretty sure she's paying these people to keep putting her in the tabloids so we don't forget about her.
Yela, Ezio. Da Vinci?
But you're rich, and the people talking about you must be broke, because I don't know why they're so concerned about you popping what you mama gave you and adding a little bit of extra to it.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with Teddy Mellencamp. Teddy Mellencamp is now leaving the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills after weight shaming. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
So is this a seasonal thing? Because for some reason, this week, right now, so many people from different reality shows and Real Housewives have been saying that they're going to leave. You're not leaving. You're not going to do it because the paycheck will still be there waiting for you to throw another drink in someone's face.
Well, how about next time you get a board that can handle the Glock 9000? Later,
That's right. You're just adding more fuel to the fire. You're trying to get more viewers and more people to the show. Now that you've seen the Kim Kardashians, Keeping Up with the Kardashians has went off the cliff.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Kim and Kanye. So Kim and Kanye, they post a photo of Chicago, their daughter, a photo album. First of all, Kanye and Kim, you need to stop with this. Because obviously, Kim, you know everyone's trying to see the hourglass shape that you have. They're trying to see you in a bikini or naked. And Kanye West, you need to stop, because we've heard that you're having some troubles right now with Kim Kardashian. You need to stop, because if you keep going on with the 4 kids you have, the child support is going to come straight in, and you're going to be living on the land that you have in a tent.
Exactly. I'm going to have to agree with you there. And not only that, Kim Kardashian, you already know the game. Like Black Kings was saying, nobody wants to see your nappy-ass headed kids.
Are you talking about the piano ghost?
And second of all, Kanye West, you can never stay out of the topics, but Kanye West with your divorce, since Kim says she's gonna file it herself, no offense, Kim, respectfully, you might file an application to 7-Eleven. Let's get into our next topic.
Will Smith pays sweet tribute to Fresh Prince of Bel-Air co-star Alfonso Ribeiro for his 49th birthday.
Will Smith, I know you're trying to draw attention away from Jada Smith still trying to be scandalous and run the streets, because we haven't heard about Austin, whatever his name was, for a while now. But Will Smith, wish your co-host happy birthday for us. Keep staying cool in Hollywood because we will see you there.
That's right. Let's move into our next hot topic with Paul Bettany on the future of the MCU. The only thing I have to say, Dr. Ross, about this is that they should put you and I into this show. Because,
Exactly.
you know, we'll make it fire. We'll add the passion into that.
The MCU is getting bigger and bigger. I mean, look at our Wonder Woman right now. She is scandalous and gorgeous. Best Wonder Woman we've had. But Black King Sebastian, think of this. Picture this, Black King Sebastian, the next Batman.
Or the next Iron Man. That's right. These were all of our hot topics, but make sure to stay tuned for the next She's Hot contest. And make sure to submit. You may be the next winner.
Exactly. And once again, congratulations, Miss Jade, for the pump in the trunk, or 67.
That's right. We also have the Jamaican clothing and the Jamaican hair gel and shampoo for sale.
Exactly. And this wrap right here that you are seeing on Black King Sebastian's head is, of course, a rose and gold product.
That's right. And you can buy your very own from the roseandgold.us site or DMing us on our Instagram. We'll leave a link in the description below. But for Kylie Jenner, that's for you.
Jesus Christ.
Let's move straight into our daily horoscope for today. Today's horoscope is for the Libra. To all of our Libras out there whose birthday is today, happy birthday and congratulations.
Exactly. Black King Sebastian himself is a Libra.
That's
So go
right.
Libras.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's get into our horoscope. Nothing is likely to disrupt your sense of composure. You feel totally at ease, in control of your circumstances, free from any possible stress. And again, Dr. Ross, congratulations to all of our Libras out there whose birthday is today.
Exactly.
But we'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Make sure to put your votes in. And for Kylie Jenner, Black King Sebastian will always blow you a kiss. But I do want to say, grab yourself a Travis Scott meal.
That's right.